Today I'm excited to introduce you to a new AI that has just launched. Unfortunately, it currently offers a free plan for users. Despite having one of the simplest user interfaces I've seen among AI video generators, the quality of the videos it produces is quite impressive and can be quite useful. For example, take a look at this. It's amazing. Sure, the hands look a bit unnatural, but overall it's pretty solid. Or this one, which depicts a tsunami. It looks fantastic and flawless. One key feature of this AI, as its creators point out, is its ability to recognize and apply different styles accurately. For example, in this video, it has perfectly captured a painting style almost flawlessly. Or check out this one, where it has created a comic strip scene from just a text prompt. This AI is also particularly skilled at generating videos featuring anthropomorphic animals, which is one of its standout features. For instance, like a user created this bear playing the guitar, and it looks really well done. Or this giraffe walking around in a funny hoodie. And here's a cat taking a selfie in front of the Eiffel Tower. Though unfortunately its hands don't match. And this one here is pretty intense, with a furious cat tearing apart some meat. Kinda scary, right? Of course, if you want to get good results, you need to spend some time crafting your prompt, which I'll explain shortly. So first, head over to the Hotshot website and log in using your Google account. Don't be surprised. Yes, that's it. There are no complicated settings or typical hassles of other AI video generators. You just need to type in your prompt, and you're good to go. I'm using the example prompt suggested on the website, but you can definitely write your own custom prompts as well. One thing that can really help you produce high-quality videos is writing a precise and well-structured prompt. If you look at the recommendations from the creators of this AI, you'll notice they suggest a specific structure for prompts. The more accurately your prompt follows this structure, the more satisfying the result will be. Let's take a look at some sample videos generated by this AI and their prompts. As you can see, compared to its competitors, it offers good quality and it's also continually improving. Unfortunately, if you're using the free plan, you're limited to making only 3 videos per day. However, you can opt for a paid plan at $29 per month, which allows you to create up to 100 videos. That might seem like a lot, especially if you're just using it for fun. Thanks for joining me today. Until next time, stay creative.